Welcome to RUS Offroad. In this video, we'll walk you through how to install our cooler mounts designed for the Yeti 35, RTIC 20, and Rough Country 20 quart coolers on Polaris RZR models. Let's get started. First, insert the bottom part of the anchor into the bed anchor hole. Either push it up from underneath or drop it in from the top. Place the cooler mount into the molded notch on the cooler and align it with the exposed anchor bolt coming up through the bed. Once it's lined up, add the optional washer, then thread on the included knob and tighten it down. Just make it snug, there's no need to over-tighten. Our mounts are built from 1/8 steel and powder-coated black for added durability and a clean look. A couple notes. When paired with the RUS Offroad Packout Mount, the Yeti 35 lid opens about halfway. With the RTIC 20, the cooler lid opens fully. All mounts are quick removable, meaning you can remove the cooler in seconds, perfect for maintenance or quick access on the trail. While we're featuring an RTIC 20 in this demo, the installation process is identical for all cooler mounts. Just a heads up, the Pro R version of the mount sits slightly taller than the one shown here. If you have any questions or need help, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for choosing RUS Offroad.